Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi. In today's video is belt thingies, the underwire, and my scissors. I do need needle and thread, but I'll get that when I'm ready for it. I haven't even opened up this since I bought it. So this is how it is. Star Wars. So what I'm thinking is that is nice. I'm just gonna measure up to my body, see where I want to cut it. Then I will show you guys what to do next. Okay, so I have all of these. I'm just going to match it up to my body, if that makes any sense. So and at the side of the dress. So let's get started. Okay, so what I've done so far is place a, what do you call it, elastic. Here it is. So I fold this part over a little bit, sew on the side, and then just sew it on like a little piece, and then put the elastic through it. So this can be my top. This is gonna be the top part. I know it doesn't look too good from up here, but hopefully turn out right. So this is gonna be the top part, so you can just stretch, whatever, I don't know how you say it, so it can fit good up top. And then this is just the rest of it. I'm gonna have to cut it, so I'm debating if whether or not I want to have a split in the dress or just a normal bodycon short dress. I don't think I'm gonna put a split in it, but I have taken out my E60 glue. I think I'm gonna use it. This one is almost finished, but I'm still gonna cut it and then see how much is left in that. I have this one. I've never used it before. I don't even know why I put it out. And so now I'm gonna cut the dress how short I want it. Then I'm gonna add, I think I'm gonna glue on the zipper. I'm not gonna use all of this zipper. I'm gonna cut it however I want it, but yep, add a zipper to the side. So just add the zipper right here. I think I'm just gonna glue it on. Use the E60 glue to glue on the zipper, and then just leave it overnight. And in the morning, see how it works. Oh, and I also have, okay, so this is the underwire. So I've sewn on this little thing right here. It doesn't look perfect, you can see the stitching. Hold on. Yep. So I got these two done. So all I have to do is just sew it onto the dress. And I got the the straps, but I've only sewed on one part. So I don't think I'm gonna use all of this. So I'm gonna cut it and use it however I want it. Just add on the straps right here. Yep. So that's it. Just have to cut the dress and just get it in order. Okay, so I know that I started off with this material at first, but it just wasn't working out the way that I wanted it to. I totally messed up on the dress. So I got a new material. I've already glued on everything. So this is gonna be the crop top. I think it's still drying, or it's already dry. I'm gonna put one of these elastic right in here. Save a little spot in here, and then just sew on the edges together. And these are the little thingies, I don't know what they're called, but these are what I'm gonna put the, what are these, the bra underwire in, and then just glue it on. So it's gonna be looking something like this. Cute. These are the straps, and this is the skirt. It doesn't look like a skirt now, but I'm gonna put in the elastic in here, and then just sew on the edge. So instead of a dress, it's gonna be like a little cute two-piece. I'm gonna show you when everything is done. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. I have made a skirt. I did the same thing that I was doing to the dress. I put the elastic in there. I glue on the back so that it can connect. I fold the end of the skirt, and then I just glue it on. Basically the same thing that I was doing to the dress. So with the top right here, same thing with the underwire. I don't know if I didn't try it on yet. I just start pinning stuff up like where it should be. So this is how the top is looking so far. Oh, let me put it up. So this is how the top is looking so far. This is the back. All I did for the back was just add elastic, and that just closed the top. You can see the glue. So the photos. I think I'm gonna have to fold these over before I glue on anything. That looks good. And I think the skirt is gonna fit. I did not try on the skirt because I don't know why. I think it can fit. These two together. I just tied the elastic just in case I need to loosen it some more or anything like that. So now I'm just gonna glue everything on, and I'm gonna show you guys the final product.